Are DJI drones going to be banned in the US, and if they are, how does that affect you as a drone operator and owner? G'day friends, as mentioned in a previous video, this potential ban on DJI drones is currently being reviewed. You can watch that video here if you like, but the overview is that DJI is the market leader in drone technology on the planet with 70% market share in this space. I apologise for my voice, I'm getting over a cold, I don't always sound this amazing. But the reason DJI has been singled out is because 6% of DJI is owned by state-owned businesses in China. So it's a Chinese-owned company, of course. And this has the US fearful of China spying on their operations and also their citizens. So because of that, the Countering CCP Drones Act was created. So this will ban all DJI drones from being sold in the US. What's clever about this is this Drones Act has been rolled into another act which is called the 2025 National Defence Authorization Act. It's kind of like they were trying to sneak it through. And this act allocates spending for the US defence over the next year. And this part of that act has already passed through without any issue. So now it's up to the Senate to pass their own version of the bill. And if it does get approved, the two acts will be merged and then it'll be passed into law when Joe Biden signs his approval. But there's no need to panic just yet because this part of the process can take months. So is there any kind of hope? Well, as the bill states, it doesn't affect drones that are purchased in the US already. Although the FCC does have the power to create plans that could bring that into motion later. But it's highly unlikely they'll do that because they've got to police the millions of drones that are already on US soil, and that's just a massive undertaking. And it would take forever at a huge cost. If this bill goes through, what may be affected will be other DJI products like gimbals, action cams and so on. But this isn't a foregone conclusion just yet. There's still a chance that the CCP Drones Act can still be removed by the NDAA before it passes, but the senators would actually have to take that out of that part of the bill. So the question is, where does this leave you? Well, if the bill gets passed, there will likely be a 3 years or more transition period. This allows for adjustments to the ban before it takes effect. It also allows DJI to maybe change the way they do business as well. For instance, they could sell their 6% Chinese-owned part of the company to a non-Chinese entity or business. Also, DJI have been lobbying themselves pretty heavy against this ban. You can actually go to a website they've created where you can get your voice heard. They created this site so they could collaborate with lawmakers and people in the industry. And the site is called the Drone Advocacy Alliance, and I'll put the link in the description below for you so you can go there and make your vote count. So there isn't really a need to dump your drone or not purchase a DJI drone at the moment, because you'll still be able to use them for the foreseeable future. And for those of you who are interested in buying a drone but are sort of being teetering between should I or shouldn't I, I've done a comparison video right here between the Air 3 and the Mini 4 Pro that you may find very helpful, and I'll see you over there. Thank you.